students here are from Seymour High School. They learn a variety of life-based skills and on-the-job training within our building. Good morning and welcome to the Ag Science building of Seymour High School. We are presently in our welding area where students learn to weld for a 2-year program. We can walk on this way. Students are currently in their booths working, learning. We have a variety of different welders going in different phases. Students work at their own pace, do what they can do best and hone in on their skills. We're going to enter into our next phase of our welding area. We've switched welding types now. As you can see, things are working. These are all sophomores, juniors, and seniors from Seymour High School. We do serve both male and female students, so it can be a girl-based program as well. We have had some success. The students continue to work. After this, they go to work-based learning during the afternoon to gain additional credit. Mr. Fox has been an integral part of that as we work on learning and moving through our environment and some real life skill instruction.
We've tried to do more of our career technical education on site like this instead of shipping them 45 minutes to Columbus. So it's given our students a lot more seat time, fewer transition times and things like that, and a lot of firsthand experience. We just have excellent instructors like Mr. Fox here.
I think it's doing really well for a lot of students. I work to try to get them to know them all on an individual basis so I can help them get to where they want to go. So the more they're willing to put into it, the more they're going to get out of it. And it does help the community a lot. We've put a lot of students working good full-time jobs in the community.
I do it because I really want to get into my hobby of racing. And so welding chassis is what I want to do. So it's work. You don't have to sit all day in a class, and it's really fun getting to know people.
I think it's just a great thing to have, just to know how to do it for anything. And it's a career that I'm interested in, so it'll help me in the long run.
Just like you said, the career, the money making, just the skill in general is awesome.
Our students are getting opportunities here at school and taking that right to the workforce with work-based learning opportunities and job opportunities. And hopefully we are localizing those pathways to help our community. And I know the kids have a ton of great opportunities with the teachers they have in place.
And being a woman that can keep up in a class like this, in a career field like this, and being involved in welding is a huge opportunity for me and many women out there that do it also.
So we're also going to take a quick look at our machining area that is a partner to our welding shop area, and they work closely with each other. We have gained recently some new machines throughout our work environment. Students are currently working in that area. Mr. Shuffett is the instructor here, who also comes from a background of machining and fabrication. Has been a great addition to our staff. We're going to move on to our plasma cutter that was donated from Seymour High School past graduation class. We're very proud of it, and as you can see, they're working on some Christmas ideas, Christmas ornaments through that, and helping our students learn. Then also they piece it into our welding area as well. So it's been a lot of fun, very positive learning experience for our students.
I know that there's stereotypes about what men can do and what women can do, and I know that me and her have pushed our butts through this class, and we've transferred from, in this class you go from stick to MIG to TIG, and it's like an advanced thing, and me and her are already on MIG, so.
And it's your first year.
Yeah, it is our first year.
I think it's great. There's a bunch of kids in here that want to do this as a career, and Mr. Fox does a great job doing, it's more than just welding. A bunch of advice outside of welding. So if you're thinking about it, I think it's a great program to be interested in.
but they learn the skill, they get credit in the community, which leads them to a job after graduation and not a career even after graduation that they can build on.
It's an awesome program just all around. It gives you an amazing skill.
It's just really fun. You make friends. I mean, you can, after school, after you get out of high school, it's something that you can look forward to doing if you wanted that as a career path, and it's just an amazing way to spend high school.